What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm in Los Angeles, California, downtown at the Intercontinental Hotel, and we'll be checking it out. Let's go. Okay, so here at the elevators, getting ready to go up to the 70th floor. Had to go up to the 70th floor to come down to the 56th floor. I like the wooden looking walls here. Little lighted base. Texture. Looks like wallpaper. And here's the room. Little Wi-Fi icon. And boom. So here's the room. I've already been in here, so it's a little messy. Here is the bathroom. Got a little toilet in there. And there's a little full deep bathtub. And now to go further into the room. Got a little desk there. Coffee machine. Flat screen. And a bed. It's messy right now because I've already been in it. And there's a big picture on the wall that says, "In Los Angeles, everyone's a star." Now, my favorite part of this room is the view from the 56th floor of the Intercontinental in Los Angeles. Check this out. That is amazing. You can see the entire city. If you guys look off in the distance, I'll try to zoom in on it. There's the Staples Center right there. There's the Staples Center. Okay, guys, it's kind of been a long day, so I just ordered room service, and so let's. That looks good. Oh, that is beautiful. Salmon and some bread. Okay, so this is the morning view here at the Intercontinental in LA. Okay, so up early, well, sort of early, and heading down to the restaurant to get breakfast, which was a little extra if you wanted it inclusive, but I figured it would be easier to do that than to go out in LA. Busy traffic, dealing with parking, nightmares. So, gonna go see what the food is like. Yo, I just had to come over here to show you guys this real quick. We're on the 70th floor of the Intercontinental here in Los Angeles. Look at this view. As an added feature, if you look off in the distance from here, you can actually see the Hollywood sign. I'll try to zoom in as close as I can get. Okay, it's hard to see, but it's right there. That's actually the Hollywood sign. So the food is here and it looks delicious. Waffle.
How you doing, sir?
Oh, pretty good.
There we go.
All right, thank you. Okay, so that's going to conclude this video. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this kind of content, definitely like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.